shares the feelings of the concern over the humanitarian situations in Syria, and it is increasing the increasing number of victims among civilians and citizens, and the displaced inside and outside. The statement also said that the intensive steps are being made by Russia over the past month with regard to providing humanitarian aid to the Syrian people via the bilateral channels and the international organizations. It added that Russia has contributed 2 million Swiss francs to the budget of the International Committee of the Red Cross in aid of Syria. Russia also contributed $4.5 million in the budget of the World Food Program and $1.5 million to the UN Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in the framework of offering aid to Syria according to the statement. The Iraqi Prime Minister Nouri Maliki has renewed Iraq's stand in support of the Syrian people to reach a solution that preserves Syria's unity and avoids dragging it into the internal conflict. This came as the Iraqi premier met with a number of factions from the Syrian opposition. Al-Maliki called for studying the Iraqi experiment as an example with both the failures it faced and the success that it achieved, stressing that this country will spare no effort in supporting any political solution that the Syrians approve of and through which they find a way out of the crisis that Syria is currently undergoing. Back to you, Dr.
Thank you, Khalid. Army units carried out today a qualitable operation and eliminated the group of most wanted terrorists in a Spanish town in Damascus countryside. A military source told Channel Reporter that during pursuing the armed terrorist group in the town,